Hello, my fellow DIYers. Today's video is going to be probably a little, rather I should say project, because I can't videotape the whole thing. But today's project is going to be an interesting one. And I want to say forgive me for the background noise. I obviously live on a busy street. But what I'm going to be doing, to start from the beginning, last year I had a huge tree cut down that really looked like at any point it was going to fall over and hit my house. So obviously we removed the tree, and this stump has been there ever since. I'm going to pan around so you can see how huge the stump is and how ugly it is. What I've done is treat the stump several times with chemicals and salt and pretty much anything I could find online. And as you can see, although it's turned a few colors and become kind of a haven for ants, the thing hasn't really disintegrated at all. So, and again, I need to add that I had kept it covered with those tarps that you see over there to try to keep it from getting any water or sunlight, which I was also told would kill the stump. Now, we looked into getting it removed, which can be pretty costly by a professional. We looked at renting a stump grinder, but if you notice, the roots on this thing go, I don't know if you can see it all, but the roots on this thing extend pretty deep and pretty far into my yard. And I was also told that it comes close to a gas line, so it was going to be pretty precarious to get all that out. I'll pan down here. So what I've decided to do is to do a flush cut on this stump. The roots aren't bothering anything. If I can flush cut them, and by that I mean cut them down to surface level, I can actually plant over the stump if I get it low enough. I'll throw some sod on top or whatever, and we'll be done with it. But you might see that a while ago I did some prep cuts where just trying to kill this thing. I'm going to walk around. I used my chainsaw to make some cuts in the roots. Look at that big root there. They go all the way down to the surface, which kind of helped, and then you can see the bark coming off there. So this beast is slowly dying, but I can't wait for that. Now whenever I see suckers come up, and that's tree suckers where the tree's trying to sprout, you know, some leaves so that they can get some oxygen, air, or water, or whatever the heck things need to live. Whenever they come up, I try and pull them out, you know, and make sure that it has no way to get any nutrients. However, that's kind of hard to keep up with. So they can sprout up anywhere in the yard because I'll pan over here, these roots go pretty far. I've found out that tree roots can go 20 feet or more from the tree. So there you go. So what I'm doing today is furthering the process of getting this nasty thing out of my yard by beginning the process of getting it flush cut. Now, I might not be able to do all of this in one day. This is a pretty big job, but what I'm going to do is do as much as I can, and then I'll come back, video or photograph, and show you how far I got. And then as I continue this, when I get it where I need it, of course, I'll come back and show you that. Now, today, instead of my saw, I'm using my chainsaw. I'm using my Sawzall, as you can see there, or reciprocating saw as it's known, otherwise called. And the Sawzall has a 12-inch pruning blade in it. You can see some ortho home insect killer, because when I removed the tarp, there were all kinds of ants all over the place. And I'm also going to leave the tarp off from this point on, and I'm going to put some ant baits out so we can take care of those. You'll see there my gloves, safety glasses, and that's ear protection whenever you're working with noisy tools, you really need to make sure that you protect your ears. So, since I'm the only one out here, I can't actually film what I'm doing and hold the camera, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video now, and I'll be back with updates. progress I made on this gigantic stump. I'm going to take a rest and let my chainsaw battery recharge and come back and do a little more slicing. And so this can be done without a stump grinder, but as you can see, it's not easy work. My plan will be, and again, this will be over a few days, but I'll continue to section and remove until I have this entire thing flush cut and down to the surface. Made some more cuts in the roots over here. Treated the area. I'm going to leave some ant bakes out because quite a few ants had collected under that tarp. And then I'll come back and make some more cuts and do some more filming. And I can't wait to see what the end result is. So anyway, that's it for now. Just wanted to show you what you can do, or what can be done if you have a ginormous stump like this one that you need to get rid of. Thanks for watching.